Hey y'all, so quick meal I made. So y'all, on my healthy quest, usually when I would do beans, these are red beans with sausage, I would really have sausage and beans. So here I have beans and sausage because I took less than a pound of beans and added them for flavor to my beans, okay? And I'll link the way I cooked them. I have baked neck bones. These are actually at room temperature though, so they may look different, but they're baked. My infamous Jiffy cornbread. And my parboiled rice. And that's dinner tonight. No dessert. On our healthy quest for 23. Alright, talk to y'all later. Bye.